It's a phenomena where girls as early as the age of 5 starts to believe that they are less capable, smarter or equal to boys. This gap between girls and their full potential is shaped by the world around them through stereotypes, biases and of course societal norms. But to be honest, change is happening. Corporates, companies and even policymakers are stepping up, committing to an initiative of getting 50-50 gender ratio at workplace and even in decision-making processes. But for true success, women must lead the change. That is exactly what Hyundai India and the Empowered Women is all about. Today in last and final episode of The Empowered Women, we are meeting Hana Mohsin Khan, the woman who believed that sky was her only limit, and quite literally. But was her journey to becoming pilot full of challenges or was it easy? I know you are excited to know that. Well, we are too. Let's find out.
Thank you so much for inviting me, and it's a pleasure to be here as well.
So, Hana, tell us about your childhood, your growing up days, and what made you decide your profession to be a pilot?
Well, I grew up in a country called Saudi Arabia, and it was a lovely childhood. I grew up very curious. I grew up wanting to be many things like most children do. And I don't think I decided when I was a child, but I think new things and adrenaline always excited me, even as a child.
Great. And what made you choose a profession in this male-dominated industry to become a pilot?
I didn't look at it as a male-dominated or a female-dominated industry. I just looked at it as something extremely exciting, and I met a few pilots while I was doing something else. I was doing an event in a city, and I just heard them talk about flying, and it just inspired me immediately, and I knew that I had to do that. So yeah, that's how I became a pilot.
Great. That looks like an interesting story. We have a coffee shop. Let's sit and chit chat.
Let's do that.
So Hana, who has been your inspiration so far? But who has kept you driven even in your difficult phases?
I'd have to say my mother, because she's always inspired me and always believed in me ever since I was a child. No dream, as insane as it sounded, was impossible to her. She never said that, oh, but maybe you should do this. She always said, yeah, why not? So I think that really matters when you're growing up as a child. So yeah, she has been my inspiration throughout.
What kept you motivated during that time?
So as I mentioned earlier, that every day I used to imagine myself in a uniform. Every single day. That's how I saw myself. And every day I did one thing or two things or 10 things that could get me there. So I think that is something that drove me to know it. I had to see that I'm standing there with my uniform.
How nice. What's one advice that you would like to give to young women who want to pursue career or want to become a pilot?
I think just dreaming about it is not enough. You need to make sure that you are doing something every day to achieve that dream.
Right.
So yes, that is for every profession that a woman or a girl would want to pursue. Do something every single day.
So my last question is, do you feel empowered when you fly?
Oh, absolutely. I feel like I'm the king of the world. I am flying in the sky. I am looking at the ground, and I'm absolutely in my own world, and I feel extremely empowered. I feel like I can do anything in the world now. If I can do this, I can do anything.
Absolutely. Cheers.
Cheers.
So you have been driving since morning. What is your experience of driving Hyundai Exter?
It's a beautiful car. I really enjoy the drive. It picks up very fast, and I love the way it's so compact, especially city driving. I think that's excellent, and I prefer having a smaller car. I like the navigation function here as well, since I use this a lot.
Do you also feel that driving makes women empowered?
Oh, absolutely, because it's a life skill. I keep telling everyone that It's everyone must know how to drive. You are not dependent on the other people. You can just pick up your car and go where you have to. And especially it's safer using a car and not a public transport. So yes, full 100% recommend.